In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share my Substack link. Sharing your Substack link simply means grabbing the exact web address people can use to reach your publication, and we'll do it clearly and confidently. Head to your dashboard. It's the control center where you manage posts, subscribers, and settings, and it appears in the main navigation once you're inside your Substack account. Clicking it anchors you to the correct publication so you know you're copying the right address. Now, copy your URL at the top. By at the top, I mean the address bar in your web browser, the place that shows the full link to the page you're on. Click once in the address bar to highlight the entire URL. If it doesn't highlight everything, drag across it until the full address is selected. Then copy it using your usual method. Right-click and choose Copy, press Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+E on a Mac. On a phone or tablet, tap the address bar to reveal the full link. Then use the copy option that appears. You're aiming for the clean public link to your publication. It typically looks like your publication at substack.com with HTTPS at the beginning. Make sure it doesn't include extras like dashboard or other internal paths. If you notice anything after your main substack.com address, remove the extra part so you keep only the root publication URL. That way, anyone who clicks it lands on your public homepage, not a private or editing view. One quick accuracy tip. Some browsers shorten what you see in the address bar. Clicking the bar usually expands it to show the complete URL before you copy. If you've set up a custom domain, the same approach applies. The address bar is still the source of truth. And that's it. Open your dashboard so you're centered on the right publication, then copy the URL from the very top of your browser. With that link on your clipboard, you have the exact address you can share anywhere your audience finds you. Keep it handy, and you'll be ready to drop it into messages, profiles, or descriptions whenever you want people to reach your Substack.